motor mount. With the precision. And see why they fit right in them slots, so you only need one wrench. But this out, there you go. They all fit. And that's what you want. Yeah, you see that? Now see, you can't do that. I can. Rather than take a link out of the chain, or even 2 links, I can just pump it up further with just 1 wrench. Under here, like this. See? Even though I painted these, I replaced these with stainless. These are not the original either. These are stainless. Yeah. That's what I said. These are also stainless with a self-locking washer built right in. So now, because we did that, see, whatever you do, I don't care if you buy one of those furniture kits from Walmart, whatever you do, never tighten all the bolts until you're completely done. That's the rules.